Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a pipe nipple and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all 2D drafting is available here. And this is a isometric view, and this project is a hydraulic pump project, and all parts is a one by one is drawing here, and last is a all parts is a assemble here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is 2D drafting is available here. And this is this lecture is very important for a beginner or student. Okay, and this project is very important, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a pipe nipple, and this is a cutout is very useful. And and this hexagon is drawing here, and this is a cutout, and this body is very nice looking here. And how to this body is designed and all process is learn here one by one. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first select a part, and going to some setting is very important, because and some setting is very important, because this is a perfect and correct. And all and all point is setting here a very important. And at first select this all detail is you can see here on the screen. This front is a plane is select here. A front plane is better. At first select here, and this is a drawing a circle is 19 millimeter. And this distance is a 25 millimeter is this. And select a mid plane. At first select a plane is front plane, and drawing a circle. This is circle is drawing here easily. And and this diameter is a 19 millimeter. This is a perfect and correct. And use a extrude boss, and at first select a mid plane, because this is a very important point, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is perfect. This is a perfect. This is a perfect and correct. And at first select this face sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is drawing here this plane, this point, and drawing this. And this is a line is a horizontal line. This is a very important point. This line is horizontal. And next is use this point, and this point is select here, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect. This is a perfect and correct. This is a 25 millimeter. This and this cutout is drawing a circle, and circle is this distance is a 1.5. And select a extrude boss base, and select a mid plane, Okay, and this is a 5mm. Okay, this is a not drawing is better, this face, but select a plane. Okay, and this is a control. Okay, this exit here, and control Z is some point is edit here. Okay, this is a not select this face and select a use a front plane because this is a middle, and a sketch normal, and hexagon is drawing this. Okay, and select this line and horizontal. Okay, and drawing this 2 point or 25mm is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And going to extrude boss base is apply here, and this use a mid plane, and this a 5mm is perfect. Okay, because this dimension is a 5mm is this is use a mid plane. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, 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 next is this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle because this is a cutout is this, and smart dimension is used here, and select this point, and this line and this line is distance between 1.5mm. 1.5mm. This is a perfect 1.5mm is perfect. And use a extrude cut, and through all is better, and select OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a perfect. This is use a fillet, and 1mm is radius, and this is a use a chamfer is this 0.5 and 45° angle. Use a fillet. Fillet is a 1mm is this, and select both side. At first this, and select this. Both side is perfect and correct. Okay, and again select use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 0.5mm and 45° angle, and select this inside. This inside is a okay, this is not inside is perfect. Delete here. Select upper line this, and select this. Both line is select here, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Next point is all point is perfect, and the next point is some cutting is a thread, and thread is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. And this use a 2mm is pitch, and this is a half is a 4.75mm, and this is a full is a 9.5mm, and this is a 70° angle. Okay, at first select this face sketch, and select this upper line, and use a convert entities. Okay, and exit, and use a helix and spiral. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And going to this pitch and revolution, and constant pitch. Okay, and this pitch is 2mm is perfect, and direction is reverse direction because this direction is change here, and this is a reverse is better. And this revolution is a 4.75mm is multiplied to, and 9.5mm is this. This is a half of this, and this is a use a 4.75 millimeter is this, and start angle is 0 degree and clockwise. All is perfect, and this is a okay. Click here. Okay. Okay, all is perfect, and select a right plane. Okay, select a right plane and sketch normal, or drawing a okay, drawing a thread, and select this and this, drawing a okay. Okay, all is perfect, again drawing a center line, select up this point to this, because this line is a horizontal, this is a vertical line. Okay. Okay, and smart dimension is this use here. Dimension is this is a 70, this is 70 degree. Okay, all point is perfect, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is okay, this is a this cutout is 1 millimeter is this, this distance is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 1 millimeter, and this is a angle is 70 degree. Okay, all is perfect and correct, this point is drag here, this okay. Okay. Okay, this use exit and going to sweep cut, and sweep cut is this is a profile is select here, automatic here, and this select a path. Okay, and path is a okay, all is perfect and correct, and this is a okay, this is cutout is very important. Okay, and this line is hide because this body is a this thread cutting is looking perfect, okay, this is a perfect cutting here, and going to this is a front plane. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is select here this, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, both side is cutting here easily. Okay, and going to okay. This all point is learn here easily and clearly, and all point is discussed here one by one, and material is apply here, and going to this metal, and metal is this nickel is used here, and this is a use, and all point is a perfect and correct, and isometric view, and okay, all point is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a Eyebolt design. Okay, today discuss here a Eyebolt design easily and clearly, and this body is useful, and this is a very useful and helpful, and this is a very useful lifting. Okay, this product is very helpful lifting any body. Eyebolt is very useful and helpful. This body is designed easily and clearly. Today discuss here all point is one by one is discuss here. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is the right view, and this is a final product body is design here, and this Eyebolt is designed easily and clearly, and this thread value is also available here. Okay, and this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is looking perfect and looking very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first drawing a click a part, and some setting is a at first setting. Okay, going to document property and image quality, and this image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this circle. Okay, a small circle is 22 millimeter, and this distance is a 52 millimeter is height, and again select this diameter is circle, and this length is 2 millimeter. Okay, use a top plane. Okay, and draw a circle is a this. Okay, and this circle is a 22 millimeter, and extrude boss is apply here a 52 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and apply a material is a this nickel is this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a this diameter is 8 millimeter, 18 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this length is 2 millimeter. Okay, and again select this face sketch. Okay, this face sketch normal, and drawing a big size. Okay, and this diameter is a 42 millimeter. Okay, and this diameter is 42 millimeter. Okay, and this length is 18 millimeter and 8 degree drafting. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this length is a 18 millimeter and 8 degree drafting. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, correct and perfect, and okay, all is perfect. And then next is drawing this rounded. This radius is 36 millimeter, and this radius is 29 millimeter, and this diameter is 7. This this diameter is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and use a front plane sketch normal, and drawing a two circle is this first and then second. Okay, and at first select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, and align a diameter. This diameter is a 72 millimeter, and this diameter is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 38. Okay, all is fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a 38 millimeter is length center to this point center, and this diameter is okay. And use a extrude boss and select a mid plane, and this 16 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this is a 7.5 millimeter, and click this edge and this edge. Okay, not use this 7 millimeter is correct, and select this edge to this edge. Okay, and select this edge to this edge is this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a okay, some point is this point. Okay, and some radius is a change here, and this radius is a okay, this is 32 millimeter is better, and click OK. Okay, again select this 46 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking very nice here. 46 millimeter is correct, and again select this 40. Okay, 44 millimeter is okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay. Okay, some missing point. This is a 44 millimeter is this is a this circle is not this. Select this circle. Okay, no problem. And select some this fillet is 5 millimeter is fillet, and this is a fillet is 4 millimeter, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter. Okay, this fillet is a 5 millimeter. Select a 5 millimeter and click this. Okay, and again select this and select this to this. Click OK. This is a perfect, and again select a fillet is 4 millimeter, and select this to this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a very looking nice here, and this fillet is a 1 millimeter, and this fillet is a this. Okay, 1 millimeter is this. Okay, very okay, all is perfect, and again select this chamfer. It is not okay, and next is this thread is a 52 millimeter, and this is a 3 millimeter and M27. Apply here. Thread is apply here. This length is a 52, and click this 52 millimeter and select a 48 millimeter better. and M27 and metric to die. M27 a pitch is 3 mm and offset is a this is a 4 mm and direction is upward. 4 mm and direction is a outside. Okay, and this is a 52 mm. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Click OK, and some time is spent here because this is a active process is working here. Okay, this is a very looking nice here, and this thread and some color is a change here, this to black, and this is a perfect. Okay, and isometric view, this color is very nice. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a foundation bolt design, and this bolt is very useful and helpful. This body is designed and all is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, and 2D drafting is this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is one by one is learn here and how to this body is designed. And this is a use all dimension is millimeter, and this thread details is also available here. This length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is M27, and offset is 6 millimeter is outside. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a body is designed. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this body is very useful and helpful. Okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also this. Okay, today discuss here this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. At first select a part, and some setting is very important, plain white, and some use a going to document property, and this is a image quality, and this is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first select this distance is this center point, and this distance is 286 millimeter, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this circle diameter is radius is 30 millimeter, and this radius is this diameter is 21 millimeter, and okay, this is a fillet is used 22 millimeter, and this thickness is 36 millimeter. Okay, and this use a chamfer 2.5 millimeter 45 degree angle, and use a thread, and this thickness is 21 millimeter, and this diameter and this is same. Okay, at first select a plane, front plane, and a line is drawing here. Okay, and this line connect to this. Okay, and a line is connect to this line is this, and also a line is drawing here this. Okay, and center line is draw here. Okay, this is a center line is this, and click a circle. Circle is okay. Okay, and this two line is a tangent, and also this two line is a tangent. Okay, this to this. Okay, this point and this line is a tangent. Okay, this is a perfect coincident. Okay, and mention. Okay, this dimension, this radius is a 30 millimeter, and this length is, okay, this radius is 30 millimeter. Assigned dimension is this radius is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and some fillet is used here. Some fillet is used, this sketch fillet, and click this is a 22 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and okay, and some use a trim. Trim is this portion is delete here. Okay, and this portion is also this. Okay, delete here. Okay, and assign a this distance is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this is a 286 millimeter. This is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 76 millimeter. Okay, and this total distance is a 286 millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect. 286 millimeter is total distance, and this is 76 millimeter, and all is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this radius is a diameter is, okay, this is a perfect, because this radius is 30 millimeter, is diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this distance is perfect and correct, and this is a tangent is okay, and this is a delete here, and select this point, and this line is a, okay, this line and this line is a tangent. Okay, 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 all is perfect. Okay, and this is a 286 millimeter, and this is a 36. Okay, all is perfect, and then exit. Okay, and again going to create a plane. Plane is this to this. Okay, because drawing a circle, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, okay, this circle is drawing here, and this diameter is a 21. Okay, okay, and exit, and use a use a swept base and automatic this profile is select here and path is a select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Click OK, and this body is a hide. Okay, this is a perfect. And some chamfer is used here, and chamfer is a this 2.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this chamfer is used and both side 2.5. this click this and click this and click OK. This chamfer is used and material is apply here, and this is a polished nickel is used. Okay, and this body is design. Okay, and next is a use a thread. Thread is a this thread value is given here. 126 millimeter is length, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is 27, offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, and active a thread and use a this, click a this, and length is 126 millimeter. Okay, and metric die is perfect, and use a M27 and 3. Okay, M27 and 3 is a okay, this is a perfect. M27 and 3 is correct, and this offset is a 6 millimeter is outside, 6 millimeter is outward. Okay, this is better. And 126 millimeter, this length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3, and okay, all is looking perfect and correct. And okay, this is a cut thread and use a right-handed thread. Click OK and apply a this thread. Some little time is spent here because this thread value is this thread active, all process is active. Okay, some little time is spent here. Okay, this is a perfect. This thread is created here, and some color is changed here, some dark black. Okay, some little dark black. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this thread is a very nice looking here, and this body is also created here. Okay, okay guys, all process is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.